Welcome back to Math Concepts. We are continuing our work in the mathematics of personal finance. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about stocks. You've probably heard of stocks as an investment, and when you buy a share of stock, you are in effect buying a little piece of a company. You own a fraction of the company. The more shares you own, the bigger the fraction of the company that belongs to you. Now, some stocks pay dividends to their shareholders as a way of redistributing profit. So we are going to look at two things in this video. We are going to look at dividend yield, which is a way of measuring how good an investment is. The higher the yield, the better the return on your investment. And we are going to also show you how to calculate the total dividends paid to a stockholder. I'm going to switch over to the document camera and look at examples. So, after watching this video, you should understand how to calculate the dividend yield and also how to calculate the total dividends from a stock. So let's look at this example right here. So a stock pays an annual dividend of 82 cents per share. The stock is trading at $51.25. Find the dividend yield. All right, so very easy to do. What we do is we take the dividend paid, 0.82, and we divide that by the price of the stock. Do a little calculation there. Let's see, can we see that? Got some weird glare going on there. Okay, so 0.82 divided by 51.25. Okay, so I am getting 0.016 or 1.6%. Okay, so the dividend yield is telling you the return on your investment that you are getting as far as these dividends are concerned. Okay, it's a measure of how good the investment is. Let's look at this here. A stock pays an annual dividend of 72 cents per share. Calculate the dividends paid to a stockholder that has 550 shares. Okay, so pretty easy to do. For every share, the stockholder gets 72 cents worth of dividends times the 550 shares that he owns. So 0.72 times 550, sorry, 0.72 times 550. So I am getting $396. Okay, so just some general notes. Okay, stock is like ownership in a company. If you buy a share of stock in a company, you own a little piece of that company. Some stocks pay dividends to shareholders. Usually that's a payment in a form of more stock in the company. Dividend yield is a measure of return on your investment in terms of dividends. Okay, so those are the basics of working with dividends.